everyone. I'm going to attempt to change a socket to a lamp, and it's my first time doing it. I watched a couple of videos to learn, so I thought I'd record a video myself and give it a go. Now you take this off. I have to unscrew these wires. One is positive, one is negative. Here's the new piece. Take that off and then you take this off. Oh, I see. The gold, I guess, is positive, the gold one. And for negative, the silver screw. So I'll unscrew this. Oh, I'll keep the wire formed just the way it is. Oh, if I can, I have to see how one side's silver for nickel, and then the gold color for positive, I believe. Uh-oh. Well, I'll find out soon enough. This comes off, I believe. But what I don't understand is, why do I have to take that whole piece off? Okay. I really just want to take this off. Okay, I'll be back. Who says I have to take this piece off? I'm going to take the new piece. This broke, the switch. That's why I had to change it. And I'm going to open the screws up. They don't open up very far, but they're open. Going to leave that in. Leave that on there. I'll tighten it up. Then I'll turn it around a little bit. I'm going to test it before I hook it all up to make sure. I put the positive and negative on the right side. Okay. I guess I could have figured out how to get that off. It was giving me a hard time. Oh, there's a screw there. See, there's a little screw on there. But that's okay. That doesn't faze me. That doesn't bother me. As long as it works when I'm done. Oh, maybe that's all there is to it. That's all there is to it, folks. I was all upset thinking that I couldn't do this. I posted a Facebook Live. A few people gave me answers I was looking for. I watched a YouTube video and I figured out how to fix my lamp myself. I'm very excited about that. That's how you change a light socket. If you need to fix the switch, good luck, folks. It's easier than you would think. Have a good day. Hello, everybody. I've recorded other videos about plumbing. I did my own plumbing in my bathroom, the Sloan toilet thing, and I made mistakes, and people have wrote me and said, oh, because you showed me that, I would have done the same thing, or I had the same problem. Because I watched you, I learned not to do that. You saved me a lot of time, and that makes me feel good because, you know, I'm an amateur, and everything I do, most of the things I do is for the first time, and I record videos to help people. Well, today, if you just finished watching my video, I speak about changing a socket on my lamp. And let me show you, I kept the original piece there. I blew a fuse. I say in the video to take out that cardboard. Now watch, it won't come out. Oh, yeah, that's probably why. Oh, it's because I blew a fuse and it burnt a hole in it. You see the cardboard? You gotta leave the cardboard in. Because when I plugged my lamp in the dressing room and I turned it on, it went and it sparked all over the place. And I just finished painting my dressing room, so I had to touch it up, and you live and you learn. So I don't want you to make that mistake. Leave the cardboard in. And I decided to leave the original piece because I really just wanted to fix the switch. So I thought I would add this to the video. I already uploaded the video. I added this to the video and did it again because I don't want people to make the same mistake that I did. So it is possible. I'm really glad I fixed my lamp. But leave the cardboard in the socket. All right. Good luck. Bye.